This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rhonda Kusevitsky. Model perfect move-in ready 3-bedroom 2-bath 2-car garage split floor plan in the beautiful WINSTON Trails community on the WINSTON Trails golf course. Great views of the golf course from your backyard. Gated community close to everything. Brand new roof in 2026, painted in 2026, new AC system and air handler, new tankless water heater, accordion hurricane shutters. New flooring installed in 2025, spacious bedrooms, beautiful eat-in kitchen, screened patio, interior laundry room with new washer and dryer. WINSTON Trails is a premier gated golf community, no mandatory buy-in, with a driving range, state-of-the-art fitness center with steam room and sauna. Top-rated schools close to shopping, dining, beaches, parks and downtown area. HOA fee includes high-speed fiber internet package. For more information, review the details below or contact Rhonda Kusevitsky at 954-914-5228.